Welcome to our step-by-step guide for logging into the MAZO Mobile App. Let's get started. Open up your App Store and search for MAZO Capital. Then, download the app. Then, locate the app on your device and tap to open it. Great! You should now see the login screen. Here, you'll enter your account details. First, tap on the username field and type in your username. Make sure to enter it exactly as you did when you registered. Next, move to the password field. Tap on it and type in your password. Remember, the password field is case sensitive. Done entering your details? Fantastic! Now, simply tap the login button to access your account. And that's it. You're now logged in and ready to use the MAZO mobile app. Enjoy all the features we have to offer. Here is our loan and lease calculator, where you are able to put in the equipment price, trade amounts, down payments, and term length to see what an estimated payment would look like. Directly to us with information gathered by your customers. If you encounter any issues logging in, don't worry. Just tap the Forgot Password link or contact your account representative. We're always here to help. Thank you for being a loyal partner.